everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here. Today I will be doing another spoon swipe flower, and I'm using all fluid paints from Liquitex Basic. Alright, that's my lineup of colors. I'm using all neutral metallic colors, so gold and silver and on a white base. I am just gonna show you a bit of how I pour this white base on the canvas. You can spread it whichever way you want. You can use a blow dryer, you can tilt it, you can swipe it with whatever tool you have. So this is just one way I also cover my canvas. Just watch it cover from edge to edge. Slowly but surely you will get there. Guys, did you hear me stress on that Liquitex Basic only make fluid paints? So they don't make ready mix pouring paints, and they don't make pre-mix pouring paints. It's just a fluid. But you know what? I don't know how they get their paints to this fluid state. I really don't know, but the only thing I can tell you guys and people that's watching my channel and who wants to learn this technique, I can tell you that this fluid paint is good for acrylic pouring. All right, it might not be a ready to pour, it might not be a pre-mix paint because they might not use a pouring medium. Yes, this paint dries matte. I mean, there's no gloss to it. I get that part. But it's perfect for acrylic pouring, you guys. All right. For this technique that I'm doing, it's actually good. This is a pouring technique. This is fluid art as well. Fluid art and the technique, so acrylic pouring, right? So don't get confused. All right, guys, you're gonna see a lot of comments. People are trying to correct me. Okay, Camille, it's not a pre-mixed paint. It's not a ready to pour paint. It's just fluid. It's just fluid. Okay, I don't know how they got their paints to the fluid state, but they must have mixed it with something. What was it? Water? I do not know. All right, I just want you guys to come on here and have fun, try something. And one of the reasons why I've been doing the pre-mix paint, the ready to pour paints, and now the fluid, just to show my followers who are having problem getting the consistency on, just try something within your region. I'm not sure where you guys are from, North America, Australia. Go into these art store, craft store, pick up a ready to pour paint or a fluid paint, whatever wording that they use, the company use, the brands of paints use. Go, guys, try. Some might be too thin, some might be too thick, but I just want you to have fun with it. All right, I literally just want you guys to have fun. I'm not here to mislead anyone. It works for me. It works wonderfully for me, and I am so happy to be able to share this with the entire world. And just get up and try, guys. Okay, so about this technique, for my new viewers, I will always say this for my new viewers, if you do decide to give this technique a try, remember that you need a napkin. Okay, so whenever you swipe, you need to wipe your spoon clean, because you are picking up paint on your spoon and you don't want to bring back the old paint and mess up your whole composition. Okay, and just swipe slowly, swipe with the edge of the spoon, stuff like that. You can I'm gonna put the playlist of my Dahlia series at the end of this video. You can go back, watch whatever, because as time goes, I do perfect my craft. You're gonna see me make a lot of because those are all the videos, and I'm not going to take them down. I literally want you guys to see my journey. This is a part of my journey, and I'm sharing it with you. Yes, I'm teaching, and yes, I'm encouraging, and yes, I'm inspiring. I just want you guys to think outside the box and be creative. It doesn't matter what age you are, as long as you're blessed with your hands and you can be as creative in with this technique that I'm doing. All right, I'm just happy to be able to come on this platform and encourage others. All right, as you guys can see, I poured some from the bottle, and I also the paint that is, and then I pour from the cup, because the cup give me more control. If you're having problem just pouring straight from the bottle, these paints that's ready to go from the bottle, if you're having problems pouring it out onto the canvas, because sometimes it's going to flow a little bit heavy and you might not have that control. You might try to squeeze it and it might comes out in drip form. I would encourage you to get, you know, your own comfortable small squeezy bottles, or get some paper cups, whatever cups, and just pour onto the canvas. It's quite simple, and it really takes comfort and preference, your preference. Okay, whatever works for you. I'm just here as a guide. I'm just here to, you know, like I said, to encourage you guys. Yes, what else do I want to say? Yeah, and if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Please watch this video all the way to the end. I mean, you're almost there, you guys. This is a shorter than 10 minutes. You're going to see the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you so much.